Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to Tips Tuesday, the best day on YouTube. And today we're going to be giving you a tip on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So, a lot of people don't know this, but how to solve a Rubik's Cube is very easy. You see, you just... Then maybe I can, as I was saying, do this. Then maybe I can do this. And as you can see, mates, we've got a we've got a perfect cube. This has been a successful episode. But anyways, we gotta apply some effects to this cube. Now that we've got it, so I like to apply this effect to just everything I see. It's a pretty cool effect. I have nothing to add on to that. Anyways, bye, see you later. Dab on the hater.